What's up, y'all? DaronTheChef, and you already know I'm really too nice. Today we're about to get into a fire recipe. Honey hot wings, right? But let me tell you this about honey hot wings. Honey hot wings is the top tier flavor of all wings. Nothing's beating honey hot. It's just some butter, hot sauce, and some honey, and you're gonna get your wings right. And the Super Bowl is today. I know I dropped this video a little late, but it don't matter though. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And everybody wanted to see me make wings in the oven. So I'm about to put the wings in the oven and we're gonna get right. But I'm telling you, the wings was winging. And you shouldn't be surprised because everything I do, I do it. Like, stop playing me for real. And you already know if you don't got no bev, exit out the video, then come back. I don't even got my bev. Hold up. So what I was saying was you gotta have a bev. The cran mango really go crazy. Cran mango is probably like the top 3 of Ocean Spray. But we about to get into the recipe, and I want to talk to y'all about my top 5 favorite wings too. So get your pen and pad ready. If you were in the kitchen already, put this video on, and we about to get right. Honey hot wings, you already know. I'm really too nice. I want you to listen, and I want you to listen closely. Make sure you clean your wings. We do not want no wings with hair on it. I don't care what a scientist say. You got to clean your wings. Get some vinegar and water, some lemon juice and water, whatever you want to do, but make sure you clean your wings. Now we're going to go in with some avocado oil. Avocado oil is a major key because it has a high smoke point. The smoke point is 500. So you want to make sure when you put your wings in the oven, you got a good oil so it won't burn in the oven. Come on. All right, so now we're going to add that avocado oil on there, and it's going to make sense at the end, I'm telling you. So now we're going to take a clean hand and get all of that avocado oil well incorporated into our wings. Now it's time to season them. I always go in with some kosher salt first. Kosher salt is a major key. Kosher salt going to have your wings good, but make sure you don't go too crazy with the kosher salt. You do not want your food to be salty. Now I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. Garlic powder goes hand in hand with kosher salt. You cannot use garlic powder and not come in with the onion powder. Like, that's my top 3. Kosher salt, onion powder, garlic powder. If you watch me, you know that already. Now I'm going to go in with some white pepper just so you won't see the black pepper spectacles. That's why I use white pepper. Now I'm going to go in with some smoked paprika. I know everybody hate the way I say paprika, but you get the point. Now make sure your hands is clean. Again, I got to stress this enough. You do not got to use gloves to cook. I just like to just use my hand. I feel like I do a little bit more when my hand is actually touching the seasoning. But if that's not for you, get you a glove and just make sure all of the seasoning is well incorporated. So make sure that avocado oil is on there. Make sure all the seasonings is on there because you don't want no bland wings. And usually I don't like to over season my wings when I'm using, a sauce. So I'm using honey hot. I don't really want to make my wings too salty. And now right here, major key. Baking powder. Baking powder, when you put in your wings in the oven or the air fryer, is going to make sure your wings have a crispy coat. So that avocado oil is going to blend well with this baking powder. Because look, right, once I mix it in, you want to make sure you don't have no white spots. Everybody always make a mistake in having white spots in their wings when they're using the air fryer or the oven. And when they come out the oven, they look a little white. I added the avocado oil so it could blend really well. Come on, I'm really too nice. So we're going to mix this up one last time. Now we're going to go grab a baking sheet. I always add aluminum foil to the bottom of my baking sheet so the oven won't get smoky. That aluminum foil is going to catch all the grease and everything that falls on it. And I use a baking rack. You don't got to worry about spraying the baking rack because remember, you put that avocado oil in there. So I'm going to lay these out, cook them in the oven for 30 minutes on each side on for 100. I didn't feel like using the stove today, so I grabbed my electric skillet or whatever you want to call it. I added 3 tablespoons of butter with 1 cup of hot sauce. You got to stir that in. Make sure it's under medium heat. You do not want to burn the sauce. I love honey. If you know me, you know I use honey on everything. So I'm going to go in with about a cup of honey. And if you know me, you know I'm about to put the whole recipe in the description box, right? So we're going to stir that up. You just want to stir it under low heat now because that honey will burn. Either my wrist got tired or somebody had text me and called me while I was recording. I don't like that. Do not call me while I'm recording. Don't text me. Don't do nothing. So just stir that up. You want to give it a stir for about 2 minutes. You want to make sure that everything is good. Now, boom, you don't want to make a mess. So clean your spatula off. Now it's time to sauce the wings up. And as you can see, like the wings is already glistening. And if you know me, everything I do, it be glistening along with the manicure. Come on now. Stop playing with me for real. Now we're going to give it a little bit of toss. So when you make your wings crispy, you don't got to worry about the bread falling off. And I want you to see these wings right here. Oh, my God. And I feel like I'm about to record for Instagram because I want to say, like, honey hot wings. I'm really too nice and nobody's ever going to see me. As you can see, the honey hot wings is winging. Great. All right, so we're already done. Now, let me taste these wings. It's like, every time I make wings, the wings is winging, and you can taste the honey. Like, it's crazy to me because people used to get mad at me because I use honey so much. Honey is so fire and it's so healthy for you, and it got so much benefits that people don't know. And people think like, oh, you're using honey too much. Oh my God, honey hot this, honey hot that. Yes, honey hot is the top tier flavor of wings or anything. I think I done put honey hot on like 5 different things. It's because I love honey hot. Don't let nobody tell you how to create your content. Your content is your content. Nobody can tell you how to run your page. This is your page, so you don't let nobody tell you nothing. But we about to get into my top 5 favorite wings of all time. Number 1, of course, honey hot. I just made them. I just slid them. Honey hot is top tier. Now, number 2, garlic parmesan. The garlic parmesan video is dropping right after this one. So after you see this video, you can leave right now and even go see the garlic parm. But I did the garlic parm wings in the air fryer because everybody want to see me do recipes. But I think I've got like a lot of new followers. But like the air fryer is really how I came up. So I've done a lot of air fryer recipes. So you guys probably missed that. So what I'm gonna do is now I kind of want to reinvent myself and just start doing air fryer recipes how I used to, and just climb the ladder and then just keep just keep going, because I've been feeling not like down, but I feel like I could do so much more than like that I've been doing, even though I've been doing a lot and you guys support me, but like I gotta do more. So garlic parm is number 2. Number 3 is mango habanero. Mango habanero is top tier. Mango habanero is 3. It's third. Well, I really can't even like put everything in order, but mango habanero is definitely 3. When you make mango habanero wings, I got like 2 recipes for those. Make sure you wear gloves. I never wear gloves because you already know I always keep like the fresh manicure and all that. But make sure you wear gloves, because the habanero peppers, when you cut it open and take the seeds out, if you don't like it too hot, touch your skin, it's gonna be burning for a few, and nothing can help it. Like it burned me for like an hour. So make sure you play it safe and you wear gloves when you making mango habanero wings. Now number 4, pineapple habanero wings is so fire. I was shaky on pineapple. I'm like, let me just try it. They fire, right? Now number 5, you guys might not really rock with it like that. Number 5 is definitely chipotle honey, and I know you like honey again. Yeah, chipotle honey go crazy, right? And I want to say something else too. Lemon pepper wings is trash. Throw them out. Lemon pepper don't even need to be anywhere at the Super Bowl party that you're going to. Definitely garlic parm, honey hot, mango habanero, pineapple habanero, or chipotle honey. That's it. Like lemon pepper wings is nasty. Like I don't even know why I even rock with them, but I appreciate y'all for the love and the support. You already know I'm really, really too nice, and you know I got a better. Stop playing on me for real. The merch is coming soon as well. I got like a few more surprises, kind of, sort of. Like I don't know how you guys gonna feel, but merch is coming soon. I got more videos dropping. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe too. If you don't like and comment and subscribe, it's like, why are you even watching the video? Y'all gotta show me love. So I appreciate y'all 100%, and I'm really, really too nice. You know I got a better. Stop playing with me. A lot of these boys on IG is my what? Son. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you guys go check out that garlic parm video too, because we going crazy.